Now example 20, page number 181. Already this model problem in exercise is there, already do it. Now if A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 minus 6 and D 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral means 4 vertices is there. So here 4 vertices are given. Quadrilateral means what? What is quadrilateral means? A closed figure having 4 sides. A closed figure having 4 sides. Then it is called a quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D are the vertices of a quadrilateral. Here 4 vertices are given. First one minus 5, 7. Second one minus 4, minus 5. Third one C minus 1, minus 6. Fourth one 4 comma 5. Here 4 vertices are given. Now you can find area of the quadrilateral. So first this quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles on the base of diagonal. Okay. Here AC is the diagonal or BD also diagonal. Anyone you can take AC or BD. Now you can take AC is the diagonal. So join AC. Okay. Here 2 triangles formed. Okay. First triangle name is ABC. This one. Second triangle name is ACD. Okay, this one first triangle, this one second triangle. Now what here find the area of the quadrilateral. Here then find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. How to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? How to find this? First area of the triangle. First triangle that is ABC and find second triangle that is area of the triangle ACD. Now these 2 triangle areas are adding. Then we get area of the quadrilateral. This is the main concept. Here directly first ABC area of the triangle find. Next second triangle ACD area of the triangle. Then you can add these 2 triangle areas. Then you get area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So area of the quadrilateral, how to get means area of the quadrilateral equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay. Area of the triangle ABC means area of the triangle formula, you know that. Okay. Now apply this area of the triangle formula to find the first triangle area and same area of the second triangle ACD to find that formula. So add these 2 areas, we find area of the quadrilateral. So first you write solution. Given vertices. Here given vertices of a quadrilateral. Vertices of a quadrilateral are A. First one minus 5, 7 and second B minus 4, minus 5 C minus 1, minus 6 and D equal to 4 comma 5. These are the 4 vertices of a quadrilateral. Now find the area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral equal to area of the quadrilateral equal to, how to get area of the quadrilateral equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Okay. Now first you can find area of the triangle ABC. First triangle area, now first you can find area of the triangle ABC. Okay. Here ABC vertices already you know. First you write formula. If A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus of, already formula, half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus last term x3 into y1 minus y2. This one modulus close. Okay, of x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 in plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now a here, if a here, how much here given? A minus 5 minus 5 7, and b second vertex minus 4 comma minus 5, and c minus 1 comma minus 5. Here a b c first triangle area now you can find. So you can take a b c, triangle ABC means. So a b c are the vertices of a triangle, then of a triangle, then area of triangle ABC equal to half modulus of, substitute now, first one x1 y1, second x2 y2, third vertex x3 y3. In formula first term x1, so you write x1 means minus 5 into, in bracket what you write, y2 minus y3. So y2 means here minus 5. In formula minus is there, so you write minus. y3 also minus, so minus 6. First term is over. Next plus x2, second term start with x2. x2 means minus 4. So you write minus 4 into y3. y3 means what? y3 here minus 6 minus y1. y1 here 7. First second term also over. Now third term what? x3. x3 what? Here minus 1. In minus is there, so put in bracket. Next y1 minus y2. y1 means here 7 minus y2. y2 means here minus 5. So minus of minus 5. Modulus close. Now simplification of modulus of minus 5 into, in bracket you write minus 5, minus into minus plus 6, plus into minus here minus 4 into minus 6 minus 7, both are negative, so add minus 13, plus into minus here minus 1 here, plus into minus 1 here, minus into in bracket 7, minus into minus plus 7 plus 5. Modulus close of modulus of here minus 5 plus 6, here positive value more, so positive we get 6 minus 5 is 1, here minus 4, minus into minus plus 13 4 is 52, right? Here 7 plus 5 minus 1 into 7 plus 5 means 12, you write 12. Now simplification of into modulus of minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 52 minus 1 into 12 minus 12. Now add two negative values minus 5 minus 12, that is equal to of modulus of plus 52 minus 70. Now substitute that 52 of modulus of 52 minus 70. 12 7 means 5. Here 4 minus 35 modulus. 30 half into 35 means you write 35 by 2 square units. This is the area of the first triangle. First triangle was area of the triangle ABC. Now find area of the second triangle. Second triangle was ACD. So now find the area of the second triangle. Area of the triangle ACD. This is the second triangle area. Now we can find. Okay. Now write if A, what is minus 5 7. Okay, here given minus 5 7, and C what is here minus 1 minus 6. A, C and D third vertex, and D means 4 comma 5 are the vertices of triangle ACD. Then area of of triangle ACD equal to what you write of modulus of already formula you know that ABC formula you write here ABC you can take triangle ABC area x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1. This formula you can apply now. First vertex x1 y1, second one x2 y2, third one x3 y3. Already write formula, so directly you can apply. Okay, now of modulus of first term what x1. x1 means here minus 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 means here minus 6. y3 minus 5. y2 minus y3. First term over, second term plus second term what x2 starting. So here minus is there, so minus 1 into y3 minus y1. y3 here 5 minus y1. y3 minus y1. y1 means 7. Second term over, next third term x3 starting. x3 means here 4 into y1 minus y2. y1 here 7 minus y2. y2 already minus is there, so minus of minus 6. Okay, modulus close. That is equal to modulus of minus 5 into in bracket minus 6 minus 5 both are adding, so minus 6 minus 11 you get. Next plus into minus 5 minus 7 plus into minus 1 is there, so 1 you get. Here minus value more value, so minus you get minus 7 plus 5 you get minus 2 plus 4 into in bracket 7 minus into minus plus 6, so modulus close. Okay, here simplification main important of modulus of minus into minus plus 11 5s are 55. Here also minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2, 7 plus 6 here 13 into 4 here plus 13 4s are 52. Now add this all, that is equal to modulus of 55 plus 2, that is 57. 57 plus 52. 57 plus 52 add, that is equal to 9. 109. You get 109 by 109 in modulus, so half into modulus 109. Okay. Now simplification, this is positive value, so 109 by square unit. This is the area of the second triangle. Already completed area of the first triangle. Now we want to here write area of the quadrilateral. So how to get area of the quadrilateral? Area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Therefore now area of the quadrilateral equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle second triangle what ACD. Now add it, that is equal to area of the triangle ABC, how much you get? 35 by 2 plus second triangle 109 by 2. Here 2 LCM 35 plus 109, add it 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. 3 plus 1 4, 144 by 2. Now simplification, 7 times 2 times, that is equal to 72. Here what area of the quadrilateral equal, how much you get? 72 square units. Now here write area of the quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD here equal to 72 square units. That is the required area. Required area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to 72 square units. So already this model problem in exercise already you can do. Here area of the quadrilateral means now divided the quadrant into two triangles. That is based on the AC diagonal or BD diagonal. Anyone you can take. Okay, two triangles formed. First triangle area you can find after second triangle area. Next, these two triangle areas are adding. Then you get area of the quadrant. Okay.